100%.
はい。
I charged it while it was in my bag.
はい。はい。Nice and quiet over here.
Yeah, not really what I expected. It's funny how quick it can change.
I have it on my thing.
I have it too now.
Well, I have it actually.
Okay, I'll turn mine off. Watch out.
Your hands must be pretty cold, dude. Why don't you heat them up?
You got a thing? Whoa, you know I'm eating one of those.
Got them.
Perfect little tiny chickie baby. You kept it in your pocket.
Like that.
Waiting for the right moment. Wow. They are great.
They're good.
They're great.
They're great.
They're better than you'd expect from a convenience store, is the point. They're not like a gourmet. Yeah.
That's what's great about it.
They're not $2, they're 200 yen probably.
Right.
So like $1.50.
Fuck, I got hiccups. Oh, shit.
What is that? What is that? Kyore Ryopion or Ryopion Ain. Fife. I don't know what that means. Genki de
Look out.
Tsuki Oin shimasu. It says we're rooting for you to live as long as you can.
That's the truth.
I hit the spot. I wonder if they do serve food there. I guess we've never technically asked if they serve food.
I don't think they do.
I wouldn't imagine that they would.
Rather, I don't think he do.
I don't think he do. Oh, the other thing is we hope that he's there. Because there's 2 people who work there.
Oh, he's not there. Everything's ruined.
What's today, Tuesday or Wednesday?
Wednesday.
We'll see. I
Wow,
came on like a Sunday and it was like, the guy said like, you know, yeah, he isn't here on Sundays because it's not like as popular. So we'll see about Wednesday. You got the hiccups because of the
I know, yeah. It's like
loss in chicken?
whenever I eat anything that is like breaded or
Yeah, well that happens to me with rice.
yeah, rice and pasta and
Any kind of carbs.
yeah, it'll go away. It would go away if I drank like water right now. But oh, you have water.
I have water. We'll be happy. Let's see what they got. They got Loki Trick. I want a Poca Coffee. What's Miracle Body? Miracle Charge, it says. For health, for power. It's definitely an energy drink. Oh wait, I don't need that one. Look at that guy. Nice
That's
and
the
warm.
guy.
It's not Tommy Lee Jones.
I know.
Poker Coffee.
You've seen him before.
Oh, it's by Sapporo. You want one? I want a sip? Ooh, that's good. Sure you don't want a sip? Wow, I bet the house that's behind here is really cool. Look at how their like trees are underlit. Are you sure this is the right way, by the way? I mean, there's nothing here. This looks like the house from Parasite. How you'd get into the house.
Like a compound.
Right.
Yeah, this is correct. Because it said that we had been there 3 years ago.
Okay.
Let me have a sip of that. Ooh, it's hot.
That's what I said. Ooh. Konbanwa.
It's a little like guard tower.
Guard tower. I like these trees. That's a pretty interesting top of a building too, because it's, well, the whole building actually is forced perspective. Like in reality, it's more skewed than it looks now because we're seeing it from the bottom.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I wonder if you looked at it from the exact bottom, if it would look like it's straight up.
No, I think it would look like it's going out over you.
Yeah, so if you looked at it from far, one of those two things would do what I'm expecting, but I don't know which.
Dude, I'm like a little mouse in a Disney cartoon.
You got like
Fall
3
into a
beers.
bath. I know, but it's because I ate the damn chicken. Whoa.
That's a good sound. That's Japanese engineering. These cans, you can't break them with your fist. They're like so. I'm squeezing it as
Like
tight as I.
crack an egg in your
For anybody who doesn't know, the cans you get out of Japanese vending machines are so strong that you cannot break them by crushing them with your fist. They're just like completely invulnerable. Like I'm squeezing as hard as I possibly can. Oh yeah, now we're getting to that street where I recognize this area. It's interesting, you go straight through a residential zone to get to it.
Yeah, well, I mean, the interesting thing too is that it like is in a residential zone. Like, the building is probably brand new.
Yeah, for some people this is like the bar down the corner. Look at the construction, try putting something in that. Or like fake
So
putting
you
something
can't
in
throw
that.
trash, yeah.
Yeah, it's like you have to put it all the way up. Lawson. I remember there being a Lawson right across from it, so it's got to be here. Oh, welcome, sir. Where is this? Not Lively Tokyo Center. Wish I could see the houses that look inside. Yeah, we were saying the same thing. Like, they got to be really cool because they were like, they had their own lighting on the inside. But we're gonna call the show now because we're gonna head to a place here. It's in Shibuya, by the way. But yeah, like not like the heart of Shibuya. It's a bar that we found a while ago that we like a lot. Thanks for joining though, Azur. Hope you enjoyed this very candid look into our nighttime stumblings. See you later. Bye bye. I think it's across from the Lawson.